Sunrise. Here at the Planesberg Game Reserve the day starts. This majestic creature anticipates the day ahead. But here there's no worries. Poachers won't be able to kill him for his tusk. Each year hundreds of elephants are brutally slaughtered for the ivory in their tusks. These young elephants will never have to worry about the pain and suffering others ensue in the wild. But that does not mean there is no danger. This eagle is enjoying breakfast. It is an expert fisher. For an elephant the days can be long and weary. They must consume 150 pounds of vegetation daily. These two shield their offspring. They're being watched.